Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Xgene and Proteinx. So in this tutorial video I'll be focusing on how to save any image in different file format by using PowerPoint, and after saving any image by using PowerPoint, how to enhance the quality of this picture by using Photoshop and discard the extra layer of this image, and after that how to uh, how to make it for publication purposes in the Word file. Okay, so for that just move on to the tutorial part. So for that I already opened one PowerPoint, so I want to copy one image from here. So this is, I can copy and then I can paste the PowerPoint page. So this picture I want to save in different file format. So for that you have to go directly to the file, save as. You have to choose your desired folder, and you see here, if you take your cursor here and then click this one, you see there are different file format. So you have to choose which file format you want, so according to your requirement. So most of the cases TIFF and JPG, these two files are mostly required for publication purposes, and these are the normally uh, higher quality actually. So for right now I want to save as a TIFF file format, so click this one and save. So after that one pop-up window will appear, and click just this one. So if you go directly to your file or folder, you can see you see here, this is the picture that I saved by using PowerPoint, right? So if you check this picture size, this is around 1.97 MB. So if you want to enhance the quality of this image again, if you want to enhance more, you can use Photoshop to do that. So for that you have to open Photoshop, sorry, this one, the previous one. So click, okay, so open M7, this one. So there are also the extra layer, you can see there are extra layer that we don't need actually. So for that, first we have to unlock this layer. You see here there is the lock icon here. So if you double click and then one pop-up window appear and then OK, then it will be unlocked. Then you can save it accordingly to your requirement. So file, save as, and you see here there are also different output file format, so you can save accordingly. So JPG or TIFF, so I want to use TIFF and save. So after that another window will pop up, and for that if you don't want any image compression, so you have to click none, and then if you want to discard the extra layer, then you have to click this one, discard the layers, and OK. So now you can check your folder. So previously it was 1.97 MB, so you can check right now how much the size. You see the size 34 MB. This is very high quality picture, and you can use this picture for your publication purposes. So still you see there are some layers. So if you copy it and paste directly your Word file that you want to write your manuscript, so you can paste here. You see, so this is your desired pictures that you want to change something. So you see here there are also some extra layer, right? You can also delete this layer, extra layer. Just click the crop. So right click and then you can get the crop option. Then you can just crop it. That's it. So this extra layer already is deleted. And then you can move. This is right now, this is fixed. So if you click this on, and if you click out of this one, then it will be moved with text. Now you can move it accordingly, according to your requirement. Okay, so by this way you can save any pictures, or you can enhance the quality, and you discard the extra space. And this is really for good quality picture for publication purposes. You can use it accordingly. So that's it guys. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.